How to change Chase debit card design online. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the Chase debit card design online. So this feature is available for only Disney card. If you want to make Disney Visa card, then it is only available for that. Otherwise this feature is not available. So you can simply do that by following the following steps. The very following step is, the first step is you can do it from the online customization, and the second is from the calling customer care. Second is pretty easy. You can just call the Chase customer at this given number and then request the custom Disney debit card with all the preferences, and then you can just provide your account number to the linked with card and your card will arrive in 5 to 7 days. The other way is online customization, where you can simply navigate to the following link, and the link is www.chase.com. Just enter the following link, and after you go to the following link, you can simply go there and then you can see the options of credit cards and many things right here. You can simply go on credit card and go on card. If you have your own card, then you can simply tell them to customize your card according to your choice, but you must have to make it a Disney Visa card. If not, it is not possible. So if you do it, then you can simply follow the steps and then you can customize your card as you like. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.